This video is about posts versus pages. In WordPress, you have the option to add a new post or a page. Right now, both formats look almost the same, so most of the time it creates confusion. I'm going to quickly show you the difference of these two formats so that you can decide. WordPress is both a blogging and a website platform, so it has option to add posts and pages. A post means a blog article and it has the option of leaving comments. So when you create a new post, it will have a comment form which people can use to leave comments. Blog posts are arranged by dates in reverse order. So when you see the list of blog posts, the last one will be on the top. Just like you see updates on Facebook or Twitter. This is called a feed. Every blog has a feed, and this can be found using special search engines like the Google blog search. Blog posts also has categories and tags for making it easy to organize. Due to the nature of regular updates, some people suggest that blog articles gain search engine traffic faster. And yes, that's true. Now that you know about posts, let's talk about pages. A page means a static page that will stay the same for a long time. They mainly share important information about your company or business, like an about page or a contact page. Pages often show up on the navigation menu. Also, they are one of the first few pages a new visitor will browse. Pages are not connected with each other through dates, categories, or tags, and they are not part of any feed. This is why a page will never show up in RSS feeds. However, a page may have parent pages or sub-pages, and this is the only way they can connect with each other. Pages don't have a comment option, but some modern themes can put comment forms on your pages. So when you build your website, put the main information content in pages and publish the articles or news as posts. Thank you.